Hello and welcome to the beautiful Bowers School Farm here in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. It's a sunny day and I'm excited to show you all that we have to offer. Whether you've been here before or maybe this is your first time, I guarantee there's something here that will interest you. We're located on East Square Lake Road between Adams and Squirrel. There's so much to explore on the farm that today will really only scratch the surface. But I have to tell you, springtime is my favorite time. With new animals being born and the flowers blooming from the earth, it's a perfect season to come out and visit on one of our open barns on Saturdays. So our first stop is the new Bowers Farm Visitor Center and Farm Store. As you can see behind me, there's a whole variety of products that come from the farm here that you could stop in and purchase any of the days that we're open. For example, there's farm honey, honey sticks, and even jam. One of our most popular farm products are fresh eggs, grown right here from our hens. So stop by and pick up a dozen of brown, free-range, beautiful eggs. While you don't see produce just yet, sooner than later, these will be bustling full of farm fresh produce grown right here at the property as well. Here we are in the greenhouse where behind me you'll see some beautiful hanging baskets being grown by our own FFA chapter members. The Bloomfield Hills High School has many classes where students will come out here and take Intro to Ag, Food and Natural Resources, Veterinary Science, and Animal Science, and part of their education is growing these beautiful baskets. You could stop by just after Mother's Day and pick up one for yourself. Just behind me are the beautifully maintained horticulture demonstration gardens, thanks to the Master Gardener Society of Oakland County volunteers who do a wonderful job each season. In fact, it's one of the largest garden volunteer projects in the county. Gardens are used by our educators. Almost 40,000 visitors come through the farm every year and experience the barns, the animals, and the gardens. This is one of my favorite places to take in the sights and sounds of the farm. I'm sure you could hear the lambs behind me, especially in the springtime. Boy, if you could smell the hyacinth right now. Behind me is the historic Craig Log Cabin, and just adjacent to it is the Barton Farmhouse. These two historic properties sit as a reminder of the past in Bloomfield. In fact, they're known as the two oldest standing structures in Bloomfield Township to date. Visitors can come take a step back in time and look at what living in the 1800s was really like. A little known fact of Bowers Farm is we have a huge community garden. Over 78 gardeners, well, could be more. There are 78 plots that folks from the community call their own, and they're just behind me out here. You can see they're coming alive this time of year as we opened April 1st. And by June or July, if you take a wagon around the farm, you would see that garden bustling with people and produce. Right behind me is actually the site of our new Children's Discovery Garden. And while you may see our laying hens and their movable coop, in the future, this will be a site for children to discover and explore. It's actually started with a seed idea from our very own Master Gardener volunteers. And it blossomed into this really great project that is being spearheaded by Dr. Norm Lowndes, the curator at the Michigan State University 4-H Children's Garden. Second grade students in Bloomfield Hills schools submitted their designs and their ideas for the coolest outdoor play area they could think of. Take a listen to Norm Lowndes as he talks about what the garden means for our programs here and for educating young people about horticulture.
So the idea is, or some of the ideas with this garden space are to connect kids to plants, a space for kids to, what I like to talk about is experience plants. And so it's a garden that is made for touching plants, for smelling leaves, rubbing leaves, all of that kind of thing. And also to get kids and adults to think a little bit about why and how plants are important to them every day.
To make this plan a reality, we're seeking anybody who's really interested in joining us. Whether you're a community member, a garden enthusiast, someone who believes that kids really should be outside, they need to be outside, engaged in play, or just an individual who wants to learn more, I invite you to take a look at our website, www.schoolfarm.org, and learn more about this project. Thank you for taking a tour with us today. It's been great to show you the farm in the spring, but really, virtually is not the same as joining us here in person. So check out our open barn days, check out our farm store. Maybe you will even stop by for ice cream. Thank you and have a great conference.